Real Garments is located in Jinzhou City, Hebei Province, China. We enjoy convenient transportation access, being just 300 kilometers away from Beijing and Tianjin Port. Additionally, the nearby Jingding Airport offers daily flights, connecting to major cities across China. With nearly 30 years operation, Real Garment Co. Limited has specialized in manufacturing workwear, labor protective clothing, and outdoor apparel. Our products includes functional garments, multi-norm workwear, high visibility clothing, weather-resistant wear, and casual wear. Our 6,000 SQM main workshop is equipped with advanced production machinery and operates 6 production lines staffed by over 150 skilled local workers. In order to fulfilling the orders timely and ensuring quality, we have 3 branch factories with 350 professional workers totally, all of them with BSCI authentication. This setup ensures stable output capacity of 1 million garments annually while maintaining strict on-time delivery standards. As an original manufacturer, we provide customized OEM solutions to many global brands. There are several long-term partnerships spanning over a decade. Our commitment to reliable quality and punctual delivery forms the cornerstone of these enduring collaborations. Our QC and QA teams supply a systematic inspection process covering every production phase from fabric quality to final packaging. Key fabric checks include color consistency, fastness, texture, weight, DWR treatment, and shrinkage testing, all verified through professional inspection methods. Each bulky production line has dedicated inspectors monitoring stitching quality, seam strength, thread matching, and closure components, buttons, zippers, Velcro. Final inspections involve measurement checks, loose thread, pressing quality, labeling accuracy, and functional testing. Besides these regular inspections, there is a separate quality control department. The professional QC do initial, middle and final inspections of each order. We adhere to a QL 2.5 standards and provide inspection reports upon request. Our in-house design team continuously researches market trends, incorporates customer feedback, and selects premium fabrics to develop technical sketches and CAED designs. We welcome custom designs and can prototype samples within 2 weeks through our dedicated sampling certifications. ISO 9001 ensures international quality, safety, efficiency, and sustainability standards. BSCI promotes ethical labor practices in supply chains. SEDEX manages compliance with labor, health, safety, and environmental regulations. GRS, a holistic standard that goes beyond recycled content to ensure environmental responsibility, ethical labor practices, and supply chain transparency. Since our foundation in the 1990s, we have grown from a garment production-only factory into a combined manufacturing and trading enterprise. This transformation was achieved through continuous investment in employee training and equipment modernization, and leveraging China's industrial policies. We remain committed to our key values of innovative design, premium quality, humanized management, and exceptional service. We invite you to visit our company and experience our capabilities. Let's create a mutually beneficial partnerships built on trust and excellence.